Oh yeah, Ryan here. Silly Reviews. I found an awesome tool that I believe other content creators could benefit from using. The website is FilmOT. Filmot. What does Filmot stand for? Film over triangulation. I'm not really sure, but this is what the deal is. If you want to spice up your videos by adding in clips from other people's videos or movies or TV show clips, anything you can find on YouTube, you can search within YouTube subtitles. Find either they can be manual subtitles or they can be automatically generated subtitles that YouTube will do with their futuristic, technological, can hear your voice and make the words out of it type deal. Really handy. I'll show you a recent implementation of this tool that I used. I had made a video about Velveeta Shreds, which is a bogus cheese full of salt, full of oil. And I noticed people over at Family Dollar, over at my local little store, were buying it more than real cheese because it was 65 cents cheaper, recession, these types of things. So what I had used this search engine for, filmot.com, was to find other videos that said the phrase gathering content for a story. I wanted to make a joke because this is Silly Reviews. We get silly, we get jokey. I wanted to make a joke about how every First Amendment auditor always says, I'm just gathering content for a story. So this is what I ended up finding and easily downloading the clips and implementing them into my videos. Now, of course, there will be certain restrictions on clips you can use from other people's content. How long are the video clips? How much of it do you use? But if you use little tiny clips, it's a free-for-all. You know, just like if somebody wanted to take 3-second clip of my content here and there, use it in the editing and creating their own original content, there's nothing wrong with that. So here's my example of how I used filmot.com as a search engine to search through subtitles on YouTube videos to find when people said whatever I typed in that they wanted to say. So again, this is for gathering content for a story. It was perfect. We're at my local Dollar General, gathering content for a story.
Gathering content for a story.
Oh, I'm just gathering content for a story I'm working on. Gathering content for a story.
Was gathering content for a story.
Perfect. That's the type of editing I was looking for. That was the content that I needed. I didn't have any issues with any kind of copyright claims because I only used 2 or 3 seconds of these clips. So when you go to filmot.com, type something in. Let's make up a new search. Instead of gathering content for a story, let's type in looking for this person. Okay, search. Automatic subtitles I found give you the most results because it's a low percentage of people who create content and upload it to YouTube that actually type out and submit their own subtitles. So once we hit search automatic subtitles for looking for this person, the website is going to sift through the subtitles and then boom, it finds it. It's going to automatically play the first result. But if you look on the right side over here, you look on the right side over there, all kinds of different videos, and it's endless because there are so many videos on YouTube where you can find that clip that you're looking for. Pretty impressive. So this one was going to autoplay right here. Again, we're trying to find a video where someone says looking for this person, right?
Person now to learn how he can get it.
He just said it. Go through the results. Let's hit on, I have no idea who this person is, $2,000 stimulus checks back from January in 2021. It will jump right to that point of the subtitles.
The FBI is looking for this person tonight, and they just sent them.
There it is, looking for this person. I'll show you one more example. Again, the website is filmot.com. Incredible tool. It really is. I've been looking for something like this for a while now. Let's go through here. Managing a major accident in police simulator. Okay. a video unavailable. Well, that might happen sometimes. So let's go ahead and let's look at
me. So like when they're saying like, oh, we're looking for this person to do this job, and you know,
perfect. Now you have an Asian lady with some type of Asian accent saying looking for this person. This is a great tool for anybody who's producing content, wants to spice it up, put some clips in there. Filmot.com. If you don't feel like typing it in, look in the description. I'll put it up at the top of the description, and I'll put it in a pinned comment. How about that? Ever wanted to search through, find a search engine that will efficiently use YouTube subtitles, and you can find content when people said something in particular. This thing works like an absolute dream. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.